8,000 euros worth of spare parts for the Porsche 964 should be enough to bring it back to life and restore it to its former glory. Let's find out right after the intro. Okay, enough with the intro, let's get straight to work. Welcome to the second official episode of Building My Porsche RWB. This time, we're going to assemble some big pieces, as you can see here. To bring it back to life,
make it a bit more
drivable,
safe.
At least use it on the road, since I've only tried it once in the first episode, so I want to drive it more. Before it's filled with rivets,
before we cut it, because after that,
once the silicone is in, you can't move it.
No, we actually silicone it to the floor so it stays in place.
So guys, now they're going to do a nice job. I'll show you, damn it.
Now go, get dressed, work with us.
But I make pizza?
I'm not really interested.
It's tracksuit time. Here we are, ready with the tracksuit. What do we do now?
Let's open the hood and do some maintenance.
I can't wait to install that exposed carbon fiber.
The last thing I'll definitely install, right before Sklang.
Just a little heads up. If you notice our hairstyles, especially Riki's,
change because several days pass.
It's not just the
humidity that moves my hair from one side to the other.
All right, let's get started. This is original, right?
I think this one isn't original. In fact,
it's a Bilstein, and it's our first time seeing the car from underneath on the lift. Nothing serious to report, just the usual oil leak typical of the 964, and we found non-original Bilstein shock absorbers. So it was already a bit lowered. Clearly we're going to work on the suspension, KW variant 3. Let's get started right away.
Let's start unscrewing something, yes?
Tell me what I need to unscrew now.
Take apart all these 10 here, all of them.
We're only at the second one.
Well, apparently there's one missing.
A few videos remain.
There should be about 10 here, yes?
There aren't any.
There are only some behind them.
Well, there's one here, but it's not attached. This is useful here too, guys. This is the last screw, and here too a screw is missing.
We got lucky here too, huh? Can you believe it?
All the screws are missing in this machine.
Good thing we don't have to fix this one.
This is the car, oil below.
Mirko, this is the creme de la creme of 964S. Far better than normal.
While the guys are discussing what to do, I'll show you for a moment quickly. The parts we have here include a nice carbon intake. Look at this beautiful piece of carbon and an air conditioning pipe also in carbon. I'm not sure what it is, but I know it saves me about 4 kg brake pads, shocks, clutch. Very important. We have the good Simone Racing who came to our aid with their Ayrton seats. We'll install these for now, then I'll decide whether to reupholster the originals or keep them. Front discs, rear discs, drilled, various belts. I'm not really sure what they're for, but we'll find out. After that, wipers, windows, the window that Daniele broke last time, filters, spark plugs, hood and trunk struts. Then over there we have oils, we have stuff for the interiors that I'll show you another time. I won't show you the inside of the car. What should we do? If not, the final color will be ruined. And do you want to see everything immediately? No, have a little patience, gentlemen. I'd like to point out something really funny to you. The Carrera 2 badge is completely off center. I mean, here there are about 40 centimeters and here there are 30. Music. I'd also like to show you a close-up of the bumper's condition. Look at how it is here. The paint job is really terrible. In my opinion, the car has a lot of flaws everywhere. It's all crooked and cracked. If you're criticizing the fact that I'm doing it at RWB, there's not much to criticize because this car either gets done at RWB or it goes to the junkyard in its current state. So don't criticize, guys. The tires are in good condition. About half an hour has passed and the two midwives here are still working. The lady who has to give birth is handling it perfectly. Exactly right. The insults are pouring in. We keep fighting this battle. They keep fighting this battle. We keep fighting. Let's go open the shock absorbers here. This is for you, KV. Like the ones I have on the Audio 80. Look how nice they are. What do you think? Nice, nice, just nice. It's made of carbon. Now, by applying this tube that serves to do something, we'll do less of something else exactly, and we'll save some important kilos for performance. It's already 12:30, and between one curse and another, the work is going great. We're done for today, but tomorrow we'll be here both in the morning and in the afternoon, and we'll document everything else. So see you tomorrow. Day 2 here at... Good morning, gentlemen.
Welcome to day 2 with Joseph for Porsche 9 maintenance in the garage.
The guys, as you may have heard, are already at work. I'm taking a short break because yesterday was really a tough and exhausting day. I don't really know what we'll do today. We'll find out live, so let's go. They told me the oil has already been changed. Everything's fine. No surprises so far. The gentleman already replaced the belts in like 5 minutes, 2 out of the 3 belts, 2 out of the 3 belts. So the regular maintenance was done decently. So yes.
Yes, for that, yes. We use only original spare parts for the oil filter, fuel filter, and we'll install them on the air conditioning belt.
That one is so big. Very well, gentlemen, very well. Let's proceed with the work. They swore a bit though. The intake is finally installed. Update after countless curses from good Daniele and good Ricardo. Because of the brake pads.
Pipes, stuck brakes, pads, stuck brakes, stuck rubber parts, everything stuck.
Everything stuck. You'll bleed the clutch in the next few days.
Bleed the clutch and bleed the brakes. Also, since we opened the system to see if we need to change the disc or if we can keep driving like this for a while.
So I'll see you, I don't know exactly when, but soon for the test drive of this Porsche 964 Future RWB. Full of swearing, I assure you.
Well, 100% Venetian.
100% Venetian. See you later in the industrial area.
One eternity later. Where the hell is Mirko? He told me we'd meet here, that we'd see each other here 15 minutes ago. He'll get here, hopefully. At least there's some heat from the warm engine here. Let's hope for the best. But what the hell? Come on. My feet are cold like this.
Good morning, gentlemen. Oh, I know, I'm late as always.
You're still late? Nice Audio 80. How'd you manage that?
This is my daily car because I was looking for a front-wheel drive car, comfortable, that wouldn't slide too much, as you can see, not too flashy.
That goes slow too. Most importantly, yes.
But there are also YouTube friends here.
Good morning.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
A week has gone by.
As you can see, a week has gone by. Here we are. Oh, the sun is coming out too. Yes.
Yes, how nice, folks. Finally, the Porsche is ready. All the work has been done, right, Daniele? More or less all the engine and maintenance work, of course. And now all that's left is to test it, exactly.
Did you hear the pumps too? Nice.
Everything's great, smooth and spotless. The clutch hasn't been changed.
Did you say the clutch? We bled it to see how it behaves. I've already driven a bit. I'm here with the car, so I'd say we're good.
We can go, let's go. Oh, what? Yesterday, the camera 2 label was centered. Let's go inside. Oh, there we go. Test drive. I'm almost excited about this thing. Say good morning to camera A and hello to camera B. Hi, guys.
Always a pleasure.
I can start. Yes, the radio doesn't work, so I'll turn on the radio. Yeah, the ignition, new battery. Let's say it right away.
New battery? Yes, because the old one was dead and we tried to revive it, but also because of the power drains that we went on to fix. So all unnecessary wiring was removed. The battery is fine. We've already tested it for 3 to 4 days. Suspension, maintenance, belts.
Can I go?
Yes. The entire boxing department is in carbon fiber.
Braking is already much better. The steering feels like a 90s car. Don't accelerate.
In fact, he accelerates and turns off the car.
Hey, guys.
It's not like I didn't tell him. I told him. What's up? Yeah, but when it comes to reversing, he just floors the gas. You don't really have any sensitivity in your feet, do you?
Not much.
Exactly, not much. Good, that's it. Put it in first gear.
Wait for the truck to pass. Okay, I've got the truck behind me.
It doesn't even look like a driving school, damn.
Okay. The gear shift is good. The start is less so.
Well, but that doesn't depend on the car.
Luckily, I'll have a few months to get used to it, to get to know it better.
Yes, after that we tear it apart, so I have to redo everything from scratch.
We also changed the gear of the odometer.
We replaced it with the small odometer wheel that didn't show speed. And think that we even had to go out on the road with the global positioning system to adjust it, because you can modify the needle. Exactly. I started, shifted to first, then second, and I still hadn't reached 20 kilometers per hour. I checked the global positioning system and saw 50, so I figured something was wrong.
The thing I feel and notice is the comfort of the soft suspension.
You don't do anything else. Now, you always keep the gear. You even go below 1,000 revolutions per minute and then try to pick up again. You feel that's the beauty of this engine here. Even with long gears, you're under torque, low revs, all of that. You give it some gas and it...
So I stay in this gear, exactly.
You need to learn how much gas to give it. Unlike modern cars, it can spin out, so you have to stay alert.
Now I'm under 800 revolutions per minute.
Maybe that was even too low. You're giving it too much gas?
Too much gas, yes. Now I'm in fourth, okay, but do you feel that at the beginning it struggles a bit?
Yes, well, it's naturally aspirated from these years. Then the 3600 is heavy. In fact, now we'll do a little second gear. It's called a little second at 7,000 the test. Okay, no, 8,000, 7,000, well?
At 8,000 we pick up. Yeah, it gets there. Well, better not to find out.
You don't have the electronic limiter, you know that? Ah, no.
No, oh damn it.
Look at this one I abandoned. Look.
The lady is the boss, she is.
To fresa.
Assetino. I would say spectacular. Now we're in third.
Well, shift into third at this point, yeah.
Let's put it straight to 000.
Turn it down. I want to hear...
Damn it, but from 4,500 and up, you have to be careful because the steering wheel is soft, it holds well.
Yeah, the car is light, but did you hear how nice that was, guys? If you use a shorter second gear like this, you basically can't shift fast enough.
We have a problem with camera 2, gentlemen, so goodbye, camera. Let's pause and try the second one. What a little thing. Damn it. Oh, come on. Exactly. 4,500. Yes, yes.
But, exactly.
But this is also due to the filter.
It's thanks to both.
The upgrades we made.
So, of the box, the filter takes in much more air thanks to the one in butone. And it's also thanks to that carbon tube, which basically eliminates the whole fan part, so also weight and various things. And it basically cools the cylinder fins.
Okay.
You didn't expect it like this though, right? But no, it's always a pleasure.
Gentlemen, I'll use it for a few months. The best part comes now, because now the real series of modifications will begin to turn it into RWB. I mean wheels, exhaust, the kit is coming.
We'll remove and paint the exhaust, take apart and reassemble the interior.
We'll do the interior last, or else the car's exterior color may get ruined.
So it will be green.
No, but it was blue.
You couldn't say it was blue, but you can't say green. No, sorry, write the correct color in the comments.
I invite you to leave a like, comment, and give high points. By now we've started like this, so let's not judge too much.
Laugh, watch videos, laugh, enjoy them, and then enjoy life. Exactly. And also the other things in life.
Even outside of here.
Exactly.
See you in the next video. Thanks for following us. Bye.